So now we're going to look at additional ways in which you can customize and enhance the appearance of the website. So under appearance, we'll click on customize. So this is where we put in mainly the general information regarding how we want our main website to look like. So we can edit the top menu section, we can edit typography, which is things such as how the text appear, and much more. So for example, under typography, we can change the font to a different font. This will apply throughout the website, and as you can see that now we've added a new font. To resume to the previous font, just click in the font which was default, and we can then go back. So here you can notice you can change a couple of things, the colors, borders. Under header builder, that's where we can add our logo to the builder, or rather to the header. So I added this earlier when the class was offline, but I can show you how we did it. So we simply uploaded a logo, and using the upload files, and these logos have different sizes. You can realize the default or recommended logo dimension is 180 by 60 pixels. So as earlier discussed, we can create it using Canva and save it with a transparent background and upload it here. So for this example, I just used one of the logos which I have, and once you just click on it, it should appear as a top menu header, but you realize it hasn't changed. So alternatively, to change the logo, you can simply click on the pencil icon just next to the image, and this will give you an option to edit it. And here, once you see the logo, you just simply click on the logo and choose your preferred logo and change image. Of course, give it some time to load. Now this will replace the top image with our logo. Something important to remember here is always be careful about the dimensions. If you had too large of an image, it will affect the size of the row in which the top menu is. So you can see now my logo is already there. Now that's about the header. We can also edit the footer section. The footer section is what is found at the bottom of the page. So for you to be able to edit the footer, just scroll with your mouse on top of anything which you want to edit and click on the pencil icon that appears, and then you'll be able to add content. If it's typing, you can be able to type your content, or if it's links, you can be able to copy the links and paste them here. So once your user clicks on a link, they're able to be transferred to the particular page where the link is directed to. So you can realize we also added powered by FinaHost at the bottom. So that's the main footer. To edit that, we can simply delete that. So what we did is we typed FinaHost Online Solutions, then we highlighted it and clicked on the link icon, which is right above it. And once we clicked on that icon, then we clicked on the gear icon and chose the option to open link in a new tab. So here we insert the full URL of the website which we want the user to be redirected to once they click. So, and after doing that, we simply click add link, and it's done. We can also edit the copyright section. So there we can add additional information such as all rights reserved. This is just to enhance the user's experience when using your website. They should be able to know if they're supposed to copy information from your site, if your site has copyright. It's always good to add those things. And at the end of it all, always remember to click publish, because once now you publish, Now everything will be saved, and that's how your website will appear. Another important thing to note here is you can also set your site icon. So this is the icon which appears on top of the web browser next to your name. So you can realize here you're supposed to enter quite a small image because that's the size of what is shown. So this is recommended just to take your logo and crop it and put a section of it on top there. Well, another important thing to do is always set the home page and the blog page. So for the home page, this is the page which the user will be directed once they type in your domain name to a browser. And the blog page, this is where your blog posts will all be displayed. So with that, we can realize now that our website should be ready to launch, because we've been able to create all the pages, we've been able to customize it. We've also been able to do a good menu. With that being said, we can proceed.